In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in QuickBooks Online. As we go through this process, I'll guide you with clear instructions so that by the end, you'll feel confident managing your customer information within this powerful accounting tool. First, we'll begin by opening the QuickBooks website. This is your gateway to all the tools and features that QuickBooks Online has to offer, so be sure you are logged in with your credentials to access your account seamlessly. Once you're in, we need to navigate to ensure we are set up for success. Now, look for the My Apps section on your homepage or dashboard. This area contains various applications that QuickBooks integrates with, providing a range of functionalities to enhance your accounting experience. Selecting this will direct you to a broader interface where you can find and manage different aspects of your business operations. Next, you'll want to click on Customer Hub. This hub acts as your central location for all things related to customer data and management. It's an efficient tool to streamline your interactions and store essential client information securely. Inside the Customer Hub, you will notice a tab simply labeled Customer. Go ahead and click on it. This is your starting point for viewing and organizing your current customer database. If it's your first time here, the space might seem a bit bare, but that's where our next steps come in handy. After selecting Customer, move your attention to the New Customer button and give it a click. This is where you'll begin entering the details for the customer you'd like to add. Now, we're at the entry stage, and this step is crucial. Here's why. Accurate and complete customer records are vital for maintaining smooth business transactions and communications. You'll need to input the necessary details starting with the title and full name of the customer. This includes the first name, middle name, if applicable, and the last name. Each field allows QuickBooks to organize and reference your contact appropriately, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Additionally, if the contact represents a business, enter the company name. Organizing customers by their company can help when you're dealing with accounts payable or receivable, as it aligns with how transactions are often processed in QuickBooks. There may be more fields, such as email, phone number, or address, available as you scroll down. These are optional, but adding them can be immensely helpful in building a comprehensive customer profile. Once you've entered all the required and relevant information, it's time to click Save. Doing this ensures all your inputs are securely stored in your QuickBooks Online account. Double-check the details to avoid any future confusion or errors in your records. And that's it. You've successfully added a new customer to QuickBooks Online. You can now easily access this information whenever you need to view or modify it, improving your or your team's overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.